So I decided to go ahead and do a reading tonight because we're still in the full moon energy and it's Sunday. And I feel like something good is going to happen. And when I get those feelings, I want to give y'all a reading. And I would also like to have one, but I like to take my energy out, but I do take what does apply. So I do encourage y'all to take what does apply and let the rest fly. Again, my name is Treasure on the Treasure Blocks. I am here for your spiritual growth and to help you on your spiritual journey. Let's get it going. I want to go with the moon cards first. I chose it with a little diamond. All moon childs are gems and diamonds. Okay, you got the owl. A crisis will allow you to look into yourself and make an important revelation. So, what I get from this card is when it says a crisis will allow you to look into. So, if I was to equivalent this to the tower card, but it being a good tower, it will show you. So really it's just a lesson, just really coming. Is to make a important revelation, whatever that is to evaluate you and whatever crisis, they come, but they don't last long. Got the big one, big old crystal shiny. Just like our dreams and aspirations. Advice cards. Doing it a little different today. How y'all been? I missed y'all. I've been doing a little background renovation and also house renovations. In the wintertime, we be in the house, so I like for my surroundings to be, Lord God, give me directions, to be very zen. To be very zen. I went ahead and shuffled. I'm going to go ahead with two. I choose to be happy and love myself today. That should be every day. I choose to be happy and love myself today. I have a voice that matters. So if I was to equivalent this with the owl card, it says I have a voice that matters and I choose to be happy. And crisis will allow you to look into your inner self and make important revelations. Okay, chakra card. Charging those. Go ahead and see. As always, a good feeling to just have a zen moment. I just had a person come to my house and say, your house is so zen. Say thank you. I want to get this read now. I encourage myself to express my sensitivity, emotion, creativity using all my facilities, including touch, voice, and actions, and creative abilities, such as art, crafts, music, acting, cooking, gardening, and writing. I praise being aware and enjoying my senses by nourishing and stimulating them by natural woods such as landscape, people, weather, animals, aroma, and sounds. Just like I said, I was jamming music today. I Palo Santo. It's anything that a high joy emotion. That's more of your second chakra. I'll move that and we'll just go into the chakras. I want to do a series and I need to do it in order. So I have my handy dandy notebook and I will be getting to it. This was gifted to me. It's so pretty. Okay. So if I was to equivalent all of this together, I choose to be happy and love myself. My voice matters. I have a voice that matters. In crisis, I will allow myself to look into and make an important revelation. And encouragement, okay, just like I was saying, things might be interrupted and things like that. You just got to keep on going with the flow and see what's important and things to just come out right. In order to, make yourself feel good, put on some music, do a craft, go acting, cooking. So that I cook ribs, garden, writing. Like I said, I have my notebook. Practice aware and enjoying your senses by nourishing and stimulating your natural world, such as landscapes, people, weather, animals, aroma, and sound. So I'm going to listen to me some good music, take me a good spiritual bath. My aromas are going, my crystals are here, and I just have a vibe. I just do. Can't nobody stop that. So let's keep on with the reading. These are my babies. These was my number one. My day one. Ooh, stuck energy. What's going on? But it did say in crisis. So it's a lot of things going on with a lot of people. And I'm not exempt. On this channel, I'm an influencer. So I have to talk about it, but I'll let you guys know a little bit later on Stuck. Wow. Mm. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do it like this. Because it seems like it wants me to float. Been doing it a while. So as I shuffle, because these are actually 2 decks in one, because I clarify, I just want to clarify crisis. So let's see. Travel. Surveying your kingdom. 3 of Wands. So that explains it. And let's get one more card. Page of Cups. Basic good news. So like I say, at the end of all of that, everything will be good. We're just going through a lot of different planetary arrangements, and if I was to get into that, that would be a long little story. All I'm saying is buckle up, go for the ride. Be very, very cautious and be very aware of what surrounds you. Okay. Amethyst. But that was meant to come out. Don't you dare. I added that to it. So I choose to be happy. I choose to be myself. I have a voice that matters. If any type of confrontation arise, don't you dare give into it. On this channel, we do not do petty energy. We let them have it. Oop, because Nine of Pentacles, we already have some already coming out. So let's see. King of Swords, Nine of Wands, we messed up. Eight of Pentacles, go on yourself. It's not all bad, but these are some jump outs. I don't manipulate energy, but it wanted to come out, so you had to see it. Let's get it. Again, what I'm looking at is several situations, because on the chakra card, it speaks of people, weather, animals, aromas, and it says to be stimulated by, nourish your body, your senses, be aware, practice. And it also says about your craft, your music, your acting, whatever you do. We want to get into that to channel, because the energies, it's just, sometimes you just ruffle people feathers, okay? And they don't want to hear certain things, see? They don't want to hear certain things. Or it can be you, collective. You can always take advice. Go inward what has you feeling this type of way. Because everybody is not for the bad of you. So if they are seeing things in you that could be improved, I will take it with a grain of salt. I'm just saying. I'm going to take these. Because when you sell off what no longer serves you, you allow the tower. Remember I said that was just like the tower. Then you get the star, and then you get the page of one. You just gotta believe. When okay, the best way I can put this, because a lot of people look at the tower and say, "Oh, we're shaking up stuff." Sometimes things have to be destroyed to be rebuilt on a sturdy foundation, because it was built on a faulty foundation. Understood? Sometimes we gotta start over in life. It's not because we're missing anything. It's just sometimes, or most of the time, God is getting us ready for more things, and we might think this is just it, and this is just the beginning. But how are you gonna receive it